Welcome to a new read-aloud story, Leo's Little Lessons of Lightness. Leo lived in a room overflowing with toys, books, and clothes. Every corner was piled high, making it hard to find anything. He loved his things, but sometimes he felt a bit lost among them. It was like a big, noisy puzzle, and he couldn't find himself. One sunny morning, Leo decided it was time for a change. He wanted to find his true self hiding under all the clutter. He started with a small box of forgotten toys. Letting go wasn't losing history. It was uncovering his authentic self. Leo knew it was a grand experiment. Finding his style would take trial and error. It was okay to make mistakes. Sometimes he would put something aside and then realize he still loved it. Other times he would let go of something he thought he needed, and it was fine. He learned to view decluttering not as losing, but as a positive act, gaining freedom and choosing a better life. Leo held a tiny own teddy bear. This reminds me of my first birthday, he thought. Memories live in your heart, not in the object. He realized he could keep the memory even if you let the physical item go. He smiled, placing the bear gently into a donation box. He found a half-finished art project he was saving for someday. He knew someday almost never came. If it did, he could always start fresh. Then, a shiny robo he got for his birthday. It was expensive, but he never played with it. Keeping it wouldn't bring the money back. The money was already gone, and the robot just added stress. Leo realized gifts had a purpose, the act of giving and receiving. Once that moment was over, the purpose was fulfilled. He could say thank you and let it go without guilt. Leo didn't try to do it all at once. He took small steps, just 5 to 10 minutes a day, tidying one little spot. He noticed his room felt lighter with each item he carefully put away or decided to share, and so did his heart. Removing heavy, bulky items made his room feel airy and open. Physical weight in his room no longer created emotional weight for him. He learned to respect empty space. It wasn't sad, it was essential, like the peaceful quiet after a bustling day. Empty space allowed for mental clarity and peace, giving his mind room to think and dream. Slowly, his room transformed. It wasn't empty, but it felt light, organized, and truly his own. Leo discovered that by letting go of things, he found more of himself, and his heart felt lighter and happier than ever before. Thank you for listening.